Hey guys, welcome back guys to another video. The lighting's not so good here, it's a dark spot. Okay, hey guys, so it is a little bit better lighting. So today I'm going to do a studio room tour thing. It's not really a studio, I just like to call it my studio, my man cave. It's an awesome cave. I love it. It's where the magic happens. It's like the bed is where the magic happens, where I edit the videos. This is so let me show you all about this. This is a mini pool table set. I don't know how big it is, like 2 feet, 1 point something feet. Here at the corner, see this corner right here? We have a box that is full of Mylar drum heads. So these are new drum heads. If you want drum heads, hit me up. I'll probably sell like one for $5 to you. Then back here we have a full cymbal set. Then here is where the magic happens, where here is a microphone boom arm to hang over the person, and we got like 5 tripods here. For good God know why I need so many tripods. Then if you turn left in my room, I don't need this no more. If you come into this side of my room, I have a Lego mess over here. It's not really like, it has not been touched, to be honest. And a beautiful sculpture back here representing life, because I am a male, so you know. It's not PG anymore, I get it. Either ways, coming up to the top, that's my own creation of a Lego theater. So that's my own creation. I took the idea from a Lego set and I bought it, and I created my own version of it. And because I was gonna audition into a performing school, thought this was the deal, you know what I'm trying to say. Okay, so right here, shouldn't like really say it. Oh, nice depth of view though. Okay, it's right now like what, 10 p.m. and I don't care. But either ways, oh wait, my snare is not even turned on. Then there's like the main part of the room. When you walk in, you turn on your left and you see my bed where the magic happens. I already told you, the magic happens here in this very special bed. I bring my MacBook every time here and I go under the sheets and edit my videos on Final Cut Pro. And it's sort of like a game corner here where, you know, I just throw a few darts and go to sleep or something like that, yeah. And then there's this thing beside my bed, and people think I keep weird things in here, but I don't. I keep skateboards, you know, when you're having a late night session with your friend. Oh, look at this, look at this. You ready for this? A Google glass, you know, Google rocks. I love Google. You know, when you want to look cool outside, you'd be like, oh, I have Google glasses, do you? No. So I'm probably cooler than you. You know, I've been there. Have you? Okay, that's enough. Okay, and then in the second drawer, there's things you normally see beside a bed. Then even further down is where I keep all my filmmaking stuff. I have a wireless microphone box where I keep my ceramic mics. Yes, and I'm using one on my body right now. I love this mic. Every of my videos you see that you feel like my audio is very good. I always use the ceramic mics because it's very good. And on the bottom drawer is just props, you know, legal weapons and gear. Singapore, country of, I don't know, I painted this myself. And we have cuffs, you know, for a good reason why you need cuffs, you know, in what good videos. Okay, now here is where the magic actually happens, you know. I'm running a 2010 Mac. So yeah, this is how you get up and personal. These are by Edifier, a nice brand. You can like strip the front and everything, and you see, look at that, look at that. Now I'm gonna complete this real fast. And you know, there's just some sticks up there and DJ controller here. So yeah, click here for more and click here to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one. This is my channel trailer and I'll see you guys in the next 1, 2, 3 and that was 4. So yeah, thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one. For real right now. Bye.